Good afternoon. It has been 1 year since an expanded version of Katie's Law went into effect. The law now requires all suspects arrested for any felony to submit a DNA sample. Today, the governor and Katie Sepich's family said the new law is working. Here's News 13's Deanna Salceda.
Well, Kim, under the previous Katie's Law, only violent felons were required to submit DNA samples. The governor says 6 homicide arrests and the following investigations now going on in New Mexico over the last year, 5 have matches to previous criminal activity. Katie's Law was named after Katie Sepich, the NMSU grad student who was raped and murdered in 2003. 3 years later, Gabriel Avila was linked to Katie's murder through DNA after he had already been convicted of burglary. Her family has fought tirelessly to pass the first version of Katie's Law that had only convicted violent felons submit DNA samples. Now today, Katie's family was with the governor to talk about this new expanded version of the law. It means people arrested for felonies like car theft, drunk driving, or drug charges must submit DNA.
5 families have hope for answers that would still be waiting if we hadn't expanded Katie's Law. To me, that's so important.
Now, all along, the ACLU has disagreed with the law. In a statement today, the ACLU told us that it continues to believe this law is unconstitutional because it targets people who have not been convicted of a crime. ACLU New Mexico says it is looking for an appropriate case to challenge the law. Back to you, Kim.
Okay, thanks, Deanna. Now, 25 states do have something similar to Katie's Law now. New Mexico is one of 13 states that requires DNA samples from any felon upon arrest.